Today we don't have all day, so we'll talk about living and non-living things, as you could see on the board. Please, who among you can tell me the meaning of, or who can give me the definition of living thing or a living thing? What does that mean?
Say,
yes.
Living things are things that have life in them and can grow, but non-living things does not have life and they can't grow. Say,
living things are things that have life in them and can grow, and vice versa. All right, clap for him. I'm proud of you. We've just heard the definition of living and non-living things. Who can give us examples of such living and non-living things? All right, you.
Say animal.
Animal. Yes, it's a good example, but give us example of such animals you're talking about.
Dog.
Good one. Clap for her. Another example. Yes.
Human being.
Human being. The finest example of all. Human being. That's good. Clap for her. Amankwah, are you with us? Amankwah, can you give me one example of a living thing?
Something that is living.
Funke!
He's saying living things. Bring half. I would say. You bring half. What house?
Yeah, house.
House, timber, or flat. Let us find something.
Train.
Train.
Yeah.
Okay, train.
Yeah.
No, it's not nice.
Will you keep quiet?
I've gotten one.
Amankwah, you're wasting my time.
We've gotten one.
Child.
What is it?
You want to say it? You know what is in my head.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Child.
Yes. So it's Ghana's economy.
Yes.
Ghana's economy, yeah. You don't understand.
Explain yourself.
You see, this guy said he's the most brilliant here.
Yeah.
He said living things can grow and they have life and can grow. You see, we started the GDP when I was young, the small kid. We started Ghana's economy from 1.5.
Yes.
We went to 2.0, 2.5, 4.2, 5.8. Now we are 10.0. It means Ghana's economy is growing. That means Ghana's economy is a living thing. Dollar is a living thing. Cedi is a non-living thing.
Amankwah, you are nothing but a clown. Walk out of my class. Get out.
Let's go. Yeah.
Hi guys, my name is John and I'm endorsing this young man right here. Great talent, he has a bright future, and you'll be seeing me and him.
Where's my work?